multiplying mixed fractions. The first step for both of these examples is going to be the same. It's going to be to turn the mixed fraction into a top-heavy fraction. So we're going to turn that mixed fraction into a top-heavy fraction. That would then make it a little easier to multiply. So turn mixed fractions into top-heavy fractions. That's the first step. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus the numerator is 8. So 8 over 3 times by 4 times 1 is 4, plus the numerator is 5. It's 5 over 4. The second step would then be just to multiply the fractions. We'll do that step in one go. So we're just going to multiply the fractions. That means we're going to multiply the numerators together, we're going to multiply the denominators together. So 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 and 3 times by 4. So 8 times 5 is 40. And 3 times by 4 is 12. And then the last step is simplifying. We'll simplify the fraction. Again, we're looking for a common factor. If you can identify the highest common factor, even better. But just a common factor to start with is a good step. So I'm going to start with 2 because they're both even. So divide both by 2. I'll get 20 over 6. Divide by 2 and I'm going to get 10 over 3. Remember, the highest common factor for 40 and 12 would have been 4. So if I divided both by 4, I would have got 10 over 3. And then I'm going to leave that 10 over 3 as it is, or if you want you can write it as a mixed fraction, which is 3 1/3. And for the second example, I'm going to turn both of those fractions in the question into top-heavy fractions. So 5 times 1 plus the numerator is 9, so that's 9 over 5. 2 times 3 plus the numerator is 7, so 7 over 2. Turn those into top-heavy fractions. And the second step is to multiply the fractions. So 9 times 7 over 5 times by 2. 9 times 7 is 63. 5 times 2 is 10. You would simplify at this stage, but there is no common factor between 63 and 10. So we can't do anything more with that. But what we can do is leave it as a mixed fraction. 10 goes into 63 6 times. There's a remainder of 3, still divided by 10.